All of you, this is the environmental study class, and today we are going to solve the exercise of mapping and the neighborhood. As I have written over here, mapping and the neighborhood. That was your title of the chapter, and we have completed that. After that, we are moving to this filling the blanks. Have you read this recap? Should I read it? Read it for you. Okay, the first one is sketch and maps help in tracing our neighborhood. That sketch was a random drawing of a certain area, isn't it? Landmarks, signs, symbols, sketches and maps help us to find place we want to reach. Now these all are the things which can help us to reach to our destination, isn't it? After that, landmarks are reference point, a place like a temple or a pole. Now what was landmark? Landmark is a center point, that is, it can be a hospital, it can be a police station, it can be a post office, it can be a temple, it can be any shop, any mall, anything, isn't it? So, and it should be some famous, in certain areas you have seen there is a landmark of a chai wala also, isn't it? So it's a famous thing that people all are knowing about that shop, so this can be also a landmark. And a sketch is a rough drawing of a place. As I told you, a sketch is a random drawing of a place. North, south, east, west are the four main directions. Now as I have told you, I have made this one, that was north, south, okay, east, west. So these all are the four main direction, isn't it? After that, a map depicts location of a place. Now what was map? Map was a diagrammatic representation of a place where we usually use it for locating some directions, locating some areas, okay, to a exact, okay. Now map was of two types, one was political map and second one was physical map, okay. And there was political map also called relief map, and physical map is also called thematic map, isn't it? After that, a scale is the ratio of the distance between two places on the ground and the distance between two places on the map. Now scale of a map had a rule that it can, in a map you can't draw the area of a exact area of a distance, you cannot measure the distance of that area, isn't it? So scale of a map is, we used it for measuring that distance, isn't it? After that, signs and symbols are used to represent roads, forests, bridges and etc. Now signs, symbols are used for locating some of the international boundaries, boundary disputes, river, canal, lake, other road, some highways, national highways with numbers. There was some symbols, with that we are going to recognize it, isn't it? After that, different colors are used to represent different mountain plains, etc. Now should you know this one, this was rivers, forests, mountain hills and desert, plains, plateau are basically we colored it to locate in the map. With that we have completed the recap also, quick revision of a chapter. After that we are going to solve this one. Mountains and hills are represented by dash color. Which color? Brown color, okay. It can be represented by brown color. Moving to second one. The question is, a map denotes the location of a place drawn on a flat surface. So what will be the answer? Map. I am not writing the full question. You will write in your copy, okay. Dash symbol shows what? This symbols shows, just a second. Okay, now the symbols shows what? National highway with numbers. Number 3 answer will be national highway with numbers, isn't it? Okay, now moving to number 4. A physical map is also known as what? Relief map. Okay, moving to number 5. Dash help in understanding of actual distance between the place on a map. What was that? Scale of a map. Scale of a map. So with that we have completed our filling the blanks, you know. So but in your copy you have to write with the questions, okay. After that, moving to true or false. First one is, when we standing facing the sun and stretch our hand sideways, the left hand will point toward which distance? Towards south. So she did correct? No, because here the boy is standing. If he is doing his hand like this and another one is like this, the left hand direction should be in the north, but here it is written in south. So the answer will be incorrect. It will be false. Completed. After that, the sketch of is an exact drawing of a place indicating direction and distance. No, sketch is a like very random drawing. Okay, here it has written sketch is a rough drawing of a place, isn't it? So it can be false. Moving to second one, thematic map shows information about temperature, rainfall, etc. Yeah, it's true. Thematic map shows information about temperature, rainfall, soils, etc. A map can be drawn without the help of a scale. Yeah, true. We can't use scale in a map. No, we do it a random drawing, isn't it? Color are used to represent rivers, mountain, plains, etc. on a map. Yeah, colors are used to indicate the rivers, plains, plateau in the map. Okay, as well as mountains and the hills also, desert also, we used to indicate it. After that, moving to the answer and the following question. First you have to do this filling the blanks, this true or false. Okay, and I will make you to do this question and answer later. So after that we will move to this community helper, that is the title of the chapter. Thank you.